Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so you guys have already seen me style this wig and everything like that. I didn't have to do a whole lot to the wig. Now, I did not bleach my knots. Coming straight out of the box, the knots already appeared to be a little bit bleached, okay? Just a touch bleached. So I didn't even worry about going back in and bleaching them. I don't always like bleaching my knots anyway. So I didn't. All I did was did a little bit of plucking and laid some baby hair. So this is what the wig looks like. This is a 360 unit for those of you who like to wear your hair up in like high buns and a lot of different styles. You guys have you guys already know, if you've been following me for a long time, I don't care for 360 units, but that's just me because I don't wear my hair up like in high ponytails and high styles. So that I don't utilize the full 360 the way it's probably supposed to be used, okay? But however, it is perfect for you all who like to wear the buns and all the other kind of things like that. Me personally, I can still wear my hair like that without having a 360. But that is a little tip if you guys are more interested in 360 wigs, okay? So this is how far back the parting goes. I pretty much, I parted it all the way back. So that's how it looks. Now this is a frontal unit, so you of course can part it anywhere you want to, okay? Anywhere within the front area, like here to here. You can part it anywhere you want. You can wear it in any style you would like to wear it in. I do have the specs on my phone, so please excuse me. I do have the Jerry curly texture. As you guys can see, this texture is very curly, very tight. Let me go ahead and give my spiel on curly textured hair. If you have not been following me for a while, this hair is going to require manipulation. You have to manipulate this hair. This is not get up and go hair, okay? Not saying that it's hard to take care of. However, you are going to need to have some type of curly hair routine with this hair. It needs to be moisturized and the curls do need to be defined, okay? If you want this look, do not expect to have this look every single day without doing anything to your hair. It's not going to calm itself. It's not going to put product in itself or any of that, okay? So keep that in mind before purchasing this unit. It is going to require manipulation, and since it is such a tight curl, it may require even more manipulation, okay? So take that for what it is. Also, this is 20 inches, okay? So I am 5'7". It comes right in the middle of my back, all right? And in the front, I'm wearing black, but y'all can barely tell. It comes right at the top of my boobs. It's 180% density. This wig is super thick, okay? Super thick. Does it shed? All hair sheds, okay? Do I need to sing my song like back in the day? All hair sheds. All of it sheds. I don't care how you flip it, swing it, toss it, and whatever, okay? Your natural hair shed. But is it an excessive amount of shedding? No, okay? Since this hair is, since it's such a deep curly texture, when you first get it out of the box, you want to make sure you do an initial comb through, okay? Comb through the wig, get it big. It's gonna grow, it's gonna get huge, okay? Comb all of those coils out because it's gonna be in this coily artificial texture. Once you comb those coils out, you are going to get a little bit of shedding, a little bit of tangling. As expected, if you have naturally curly hair, when you comb those curls out, you get the same exact thing, okay? I, however, have not been experiencing anything very drastic or crazy, globs of hair, globs of shedding. Just haven't been experiencing that on my end, okay? You do want to make sure you give your hair a good conditioner wash. I would suggest conditioner and shampoo, okay? To go ahead and just break that hair down a little bit. Get that, like I said, that artificial curl out of it and just get it ready to go and get it ready to work with, okay? So let's continue on. The cap size is a medium, okay? So this cap size, it fits me rather okay. You guys know I'm a large cap size. My head is between the 24-inch and the 25-inch because my hair is so long. Keep that into consideration. Before buying wigs, I want you all to measure your head before buying a wig. That means whenever you measure your head, make sure you measure around the braids. In the back, my hair is put up in this big braid and it kind of loops around, so it leaves kind of like a bump in the back of my head. Whenever I measure my head, I measure over the braids because once I put that wig on, it goes over the braids. So take that for what it is. On a lot of sites, it will have a little guide to their measurements. If there's any questions or there's not a guide, you can always contact customer service for a lot of these sites. Ywigs is pretty good at helping customers, and their communication is very good too. So if you ever have a question about wig sizing, wig caps, or whatever the case may be, or maybe you need something else, they should be pretty good about that. I've never had a problem with that either. I've already told you guys about the cap structure, which is a 360. If you do not know what a 360 is, it does go all the way around. All right, so let's get into some things about this wig, although we've been talking all about the wig, okay? But more so, let's get into some things that actually came with the wig, okay? So you are always going to get a return and exchange policy, a wig cap, and they also sent some little combs, okay? I guess some additional combs. Now this wig did come with combs inside the unit. It came with like 3, like 1 here and then 2 on the sides. I do not like those combs. I never utilize those combs, and they make my wig look bulky. So what I always do is cut the combs out, and that's what I did. I cut my combs out. But if you're a person that does utilize those combs, then hey, go for it, okay? Also, this wig came with these items. Okay, so this probably looks very, very familiar. So it comes with the elastic band, and also comes with these little parts here that you sew on your cap, and then you hook the elastic band on here. Okay, let me get my 2 cents about that. First of all, I like elastic bands. They're okay. I'm not a super fan of them because after wearing them for a long time, they give me really bad tension headaches. That's for 1. For 2, I'm not sewing this on. Okay, I'm just not. Why am I not doing it? Because I'm not. I'm just not. I mean, I already kind of like struggle sewing elastic bands on anyway because I'd be doing something wrong. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to go through the trouble of doing that. I just feel like these pieces could have already came on the wig, just like all the other wigs are doing. These pieces could have came on the wig, okay? Y'all see what these pieces look like? So that way, if I wanted to utilize these, I can clip them on and I can clip them off, okay? I don't want to go through the extra work to put these on, sew these on, and then be clipping this on and clipping. No, these should have already came in the wig, on the wig cap. Okay, so that I could have an option to use these. I'm not going to do the extra work to do this, and 9 times out of 10 people aren't going to do the extra work, and these are probably going to get lost. This stuff is probably going to get lost. I'm just saying, or whatever. So I'm not going to do it. But in this video, if you guys for whatever reason just want to know how it would look or whatever the case may be, I will put up a picture to kind of show y'all how they're demonstrating it or how they want you to do it. Okay, so have at it, have fun. I'm just not gonna do it. And plus, every time I have like an elastic band, I mean I'll utilize this honestly sometimes. But if I'm wearing my wig for a really, really long time, like if I'm going to work, if I'm doing something just really, really strenuous, I'm not gonna wear it because it gives me such a bad headache. Like when I wear it, at the end of the day, I'm like unlatching it because I'm like, oh my gosh, my head is about to boost. You know what I'm saying? So I mean that comes in the box with it. In case you guys want to use it, it's for you guys' convenience. I get what they were trying to do, but then in the other sense, I'm just like, come on now. I'm not fit to do all this, especially when just get on the train and I already have it in the wig, okay? Which, I don't know, I may be thinking too much off into it. Anyways, guys, I think that's pretty much it. I think I gave you guys the specs and the rundown on everything. There shouldn't be any surprises or anything when you get your package or whatever the case may be, okay? Let me put this one disclaimer in here. Like I always say, these are my thoughts and my opinion and my experience. Just because I had a good experience, that does not mean everyone else is gonna have a good experience. And I mean, take everything I say with a grain of salt. Like I always say, just take it with a grain of salt. Don't take it as law like most of y'all do. And yeah, I'll definitely see you on my next one. Oh yeah, questions, comments, concerns, y'all know, leave them down below. I don't know if I said that, but anyway, bye.